We have two installation postures. One is the installation of the screwback attitude. The other is the installation of packing attitude. Today's issue is about the installation of concrete. First of all, these two are our welding torch clamps. This is the end flange. This is a welding handle. This is his complete set of handle accessories. We picked up our black flanges. The black hole is facing straight down. Then, install. Except for the holes reserved below. The remaining screws must be tightened. Next, we install the flange of the welding torch. The protruding object is aimed at this hole. Flange installed. Next, we install the handle. Handle installed. Now pick up our handles and the remaining three parts. With its plane, align and put in. Then take out this part of ours. Stuff it in. Take out the gasket screw. Tighten. Take out our black screws. Install and tighten it from the hole reserved below. Installed. Now to install our clamps. We have checked the size here. The 68 to 73 is installed on our forearm. This clamp is 80 to 85. Mounted on the upper arm. This is the forearm. Down below is the big arm. We first install the clamp of the forearm. We prop it up. Align the screw to the hole it has reserved. You do it the same way. Align it and tighten it in the reserved hole. Next, we install the welding torch. First, let's open it up. Then start installing the welding torch. Let's align the welding torch with its card slot. Then tighten the screws. Okay, next we open the clasp of the clamp. We install the barrel. Spherical object into it. Hold it! Then tighten the screws. And the same process works here.